That doesn't happen every day. Come on, we can't be doing that. Just put yourself first, guys. Like,
driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again.
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aniya Janae, and today, from the title, you can see that we're gonna be talking about our 2022 goals. It's never, I was gonna say it's a little too late, but it's never too late to talk about your goals. So we're gonna be talking about them before we get too far into the year. Like, if you haven't set any goals, this is your sign, babes. This is your sign to write them goals down and plan out your year and hit them. Because what's productivity without goals? And y'all, I'm not talking about my nails. They very bad looking. But they was cute though. I don't really do acrylic, so. And my hair. Let's not even talk about it because I'm not a natural queen. I don't know what to do. Like, I just don't know what to do. I mean, it's all right. I did braid out. It was all right. It came out all right. Y'all, please help me because I don't know what I'm doing. But anyways, like I said, we're going to talk about our 2022 goals. And y'all know we just passed 2-2-2-2. So, period. Anyways, so y'all know this is the year for greatness and full of blessings. I have a blessing to share with y'all, but we'll keep that for another video. Make sure you like it and subscribe down below. So I just wrote out a few goals I want to share with y'all. As the year goes on, I'm sure I'll have more, but this is what I have just for, you know, today. My first goal is going to have to be, I want to have at least 3 incomes. So that's just one of my goals for 2022. I just want to have 3 incomes. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it. I have a few things in mind, but that's what I want to do. I think I'm going to be, well, all these goals are very achievable for me. So make sure your goals are, you know, reachable. Don't make goals that you know you like just out of, you know, those could be long-term goals, but these are going to be our short-term goals because a year is like short-term. So if you got some long-term goals, write them down too, but make sure you put, you know, let yourself know that they're just not, you know, be reasonable with your goals. That's all I'm trying to say, because you don't want to get disappointed in the end. I want to get my real estate and insurance license this year. So I'm already working on my insurance license, and you know, later on this year I want to work on getting my real estate license, so that should be fun. Another goal I have this year is to gain more confidence. I mean, people see me as a confident person, but honestly, like, we all have our days. So I just really want to just gain more confidence in myself, like just a little more me, like, I don't know. I'm confident, but like not at the same time. I just want more, like, more self-esteem, more reassurance for myself. Like, I don't want to be reassured by anyone else. I just want to just have myself to reassure myself, you know, of my worth and everything else. My next one would have to be reading my Bible more. Honestly, this one is really reading in general more, because 30 minutes is not a lot, but 30 minutes a day could help you out so much. Like, so many ways. Reading can help in so many ways. Like, honestly, it would help me not be typing as bad as I do. If you know me, you know I'm the worst typer. So maybe if I read 30 minutes a day, I wouldn't be typing as bad as I do. I can spell, it's just, I don't know, my fingers get a little twisted. So I need to do that, and I just want to read my Bible more because I think that would be a good thing to do this year. My next goal is to hit all my gym goals. I necessarily couldn't put a specific gym goal because I just started. Like, I'm very beginner for the gym, and I really don't know like what I want from the gym. Like, I don't know what I want to get from the gym. I know I want to get stronger, so that I did put that on here. I want to become stronger, hit all my gym goals and become stronger, but like, I don't really know yet. I mean, I've only been going to the gym now since August, so, you know, I don't know. Next goal is to launch my online business. I am starting a new business. I'm gonna put my logo here, so keep a lookout, you guys. It's going to be like cosmetic, like hair, beauty type things, but you know, I'm open to anything. I'm really just trying to like branch out. I just want to successfully launch my online business, because that's something I'm looking to do summer 2022. So that's great. Can't wait, baby. My next goal is to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. As y'all can see, lately I've been really consistent. Like, yeah, I've been killing it. But I'm really just trying to hit my monetization goals. Now YouTube, I'm not doing it for the money, because I honestly really just enjoy making videos and just talking to the camera like a weirdo. I'm just kidding, but honestly, it's really fun making YouTube videos, editing them, seeing how they do on the internet. It's just really, like, all that is just really fun. So I don't know, I just really want to hit those goals, just because that's what YouTube wants. I guess I would feel like I made it if I hit at least those goals. So I just feel like that would be fun to do this year, because you do have to hit those goals within 12 months, or you'll have to start over, something like that. So we don't want to start over, so let's get the job done, guys. My next goal is to dress up more. I really that's like kind of ties into the confident thing, because like when I was in high school, able to be with my friends more, and I definitely was able to dress up more, because we would always go out and we would take pictures. Y'all know, if my friends are watching this, y'all know how we do. But anyways, I mean, we have all gone our separate ways, and I mean, I guess everybody doesn't have time. Well, I live in Texas and I'm from Tennessee, so that's another thing. But we have all gone our separate ways, and I also think that we don't have as much time as we used to, you know, doing school or working. And you know, it's just when you're in high school, you get to dress up and go out with your friends whenever you want. But when you get older, you have to actually like take out time to do that if you want to, because you have so much other things going on. So I want to get back into dressing up, taking pictures, and that probably will make me feel more confident, because that's one thing that I used to do that I don't do anymore. So yeah, anyways, the next goal is going to be make saving and investing a priority. I cannot stress this enough, guys. Saving money will save your life. Or out for COVID, you will be out for several days, and then it's not like your bills are gonna stop. So I feel like saving is really important, and even without COVID, you just need to save. So I'm trying to make that a priority, because I'm not good at saving. I might be preaching about saving right now, but I've found out that saving is very beneficial. So I suggest y'all to save, and I can give y'all some of my saving tips that I've learned so far. I'll probably make a video on that, but if you want to see that, make sure you like it, so I'll know that y'all are interested in seeing that. So yeah, definitely save some money, baby. Investing, I want to do like crypto. Like I said, you have to invest in your insurance, you have to invest in your real estate. I'm looking at Airbnbs. All that is investing, so looking to do that. Maybe get into the stock market, all that. I'm willing to learn anything, baby. The last goal I have on here is to continue to keep growing, to become a better me. That is the goal at the end of the day, y'all. Like, don't lose yourself, and don't get wrapped up in all this other stuff that doesn't even matter. Focus on you. At the end of the day, you are the one who has to live in your own skin. And I mean, at the end of the day, just put yourself first. Like, I had to learn that. Do not be focused on other people or breaking your back for other people. Make sure you always put yourself first, because at the end of the day, you're the only one that's gonna have your back. You're the only one that's gonna have your back, baby. So that's basically the end of the video. Quick, sweet, and simple. Make sure you write down your goals, y'all. If you have some already, make sure you leave them down in the comment. I want to know what y'all got to say. I want to know y'all's goals too. Like, we're a family. So, without further ado, I'll talk to y'all Wednesday. Bye, y'all.
Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on,